how to share any Excel document as a link to Gmail. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any Excel document as a link to your Google Mail. So all what you have to do is go to Excel. Now choose the document that you want here. I'm going to choose this one and go to the top, click on this and click on share as a link. Click on edit link, and now you will find the Gmail option right here. Click on it and everything will be done. If you didn't find it, just swipe right until you find it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.